And especially in a tight market. Look, I mean, I've had many CFOs tell me my job is to spend money. My job is not to say no. Like I joke about the CF no, right? And the CFOs, and I've got my own head of finance that says no to me plenty as well, right? And that's good. I want someone like that. But a CFO's job is to spend money and deploy budget in the right places. So if I come in right now and I say, listen, here's the job I need done. Here's the strategy I believe is going to work. And I'm going to tell you that halfway through the year, if some of this stuff isn't working, we are going to stop doing those things and either redeploy that to something that's working or find some plan B of making it work. But I'm also going to tell you, Mrs. CFO, that if I find something's working and I think there's scale in impact on that, I'm going to come ask for more money. And I'm going to make a case for how it's working and the impact that could have. Now, some of that could be redeploying budget within your program from one program to another. Some of it could be coming and saying, like, I'm going to ask for more money. Tell that story up front. I don't know a whole lot of CFOs that are going to just immediately sort of say no to that. If something's working that can drive business results, as a CFO, my job is to spend more money in that place.